Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This video is about how to save money on car insurance. Car insurance is one of those items you set up and forget about it. But it could be a place you could save a lot of money if you haven't looked at it lately. Here are a few tips for you. Number 1. Shop around. Car insurance rates vary by hundreds of dollars a year among insurers for the same levels of coverage, so it's important to check current rates in your state. A good driver with good credit can save more than $100 a month, on average, by finding the cheapest insurer instead of the most expensive in the state. The company with the lowest rates in one state can be the most expensive in another. And the cheapest company for a good driver with good credit might not be cheapest for someone with poor credit or a recent accident. Number 2. Take advantage of car insurance discounts. Every insurance company offers special ways to lower your car insurance premium. To make sure you're getting all the discounts you're entitled to, ask your agent to review your possible savings. Saving can be for things like type of vehicle, coverage options, owning a home, being a student, and driving history, to name a few. Be sure to compare equally across all companies. Just because an insurer offers more discounts doesn't mean it offers the lowest overall price. Number 3. Drive safely. Traffic tickets and accidents cause your premiums to rise. If you get a ticket, you may be offered the opportunity to go to traffic school to get it dismissed. The time spent in class could save you hundreds of dollars over several years if you keep the ticket off your license. Number 4. Pick a car that's cheap to insure. Compare car insurance rates for the models you're considering buying. The vehicle you drive affects your car insurance premium. Safe and moderately priced vehicles such as small SUVs tend to be cheaper to insure than flashy and expensive cars. So if you are flexible in your car options, include insurance costs in your buying decision. And number 5. Consider usage-based insurance. If you don't drive very much, consider an insurer that offers a pay-per-mile driving program. To participate, you install a small device in your car that transmits data to the insurance company. You score a discount for low mileage and, with many programs, safe driving habits. These are just a few of the ways to save on car insurance. I hope you found these tips to be helpful. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.